That's me.
Is dyed. I'm just gonna let it sit like 2 pumps. I'm going to leave this on for 10 minutes.
I didn't watch out.
Okay, and I need to hold your. Hi, my name's Madison, and this is what I look like right now, and this is not okay. My birthday is literally in like 4 days or like 3 days. I don't even know. I literally don't even know at this point. It's soon. It's literally so soon. And I look like this. Like, my roots ain't done. My eyebrows ain't done. I ain't got no motherfucking tan on. And my nails are not done either. And guess what? Guess what? I decided, you know, since we're in quarantine and I can't go on a vacation for my birthday, I wanted to do like a fun little like birthday shoot for Instagram and all that stuff. And like take a cute picture or whatever and like have a cute birthday post for, you know, Instagram. Since quarantine and since the nail salons have been closed, y'all know that nails are a big part of my life. And it's a big part of my being. And if I just don't have nails on, I literally don't feel complete. And I also, I don't know, I just feel like you guys don't like looking at me without nails. Because of this whole quarantine thing, you know, nail salons are closed, so I decided to become a nail tech. This is my box of stuff. So in this little like pill container, I have jewels. These were all put right here, and then they fell and they all went in here, so that's annoying. Like nail tips. I have gel polishes in here, nail buffers. I have my drill, which was so much money. It literally was 90. There is cheaper drills, but I wanted this whenever they were putting the whole like thing on Amazon packages where you can't get your Amazon packages for a month. Basically what I'm trying to say is if it wasn't quarantine and I tried to buy this drill, it honestly probably would have only been like $40, but because of this whole like quarantine thing and all that stuff, it was $90. Over here I have more nail jewels, these like big ones and then these little small colorful ones, and then I have a bunch of acrylic nail powders. So this is what I'm gonna do on my nails. This one's a glitter one. I have this right here, which is what I'm going to use for ombre. I have this pink glitter one right here, which is really, really pretty glitter color. And then the one that I'm actually doing like ombre with is like this bright pink. So my nails are going to be like pink, and then I think I'm going to do like some of these jewels on them or something like that. I don't really know. So I basically decided that this is going to be going down on the ground, and this is where we're going to do the nail. I practiced the ombre on a nail tip. Literally, I took a nail tip, glued it to this, and I practiced the ombre because I've never done ombre before. This is what my workspace looks like right now. Okay, so now I'm just going to look at my nails to make sure that I have the shine properly. Have glued the nail tips on. I think I'm gonna do one hand first and like completely do the hand. I think it'll just work easier that way. I never bought one of those nail things, and so I'm just going to use like regular nail scissors and determine how long I want them to be. I think I made these too short. This isn't really going well. Couldn't find any nail clippers, so I have to use these scissors. And also, apparently I'm giving myself small little baby birthday freaking nails. I guess I'm not doing bad bitch claws like I wanted to. Why are there eyelashes on this? There's like random ass eyelashes on this. I'm not doing bad bitch claws like I wanted to, apparently, because I'm stupid and I cut them too short and I don't know how to get the nail tips off again. Okay, you guys, so I just applied my primer. This is the Mia Secret primer. I'm going to do pink ombre on this and on this, and then I'm going to do this pink on these two fingers and then the other color on this finger. So right now what I just did is I did a small little layer of acrylic on my natural nail because I watched a tutorial and they said to do that whenever you do ombres. So yeah, so what I did is I basically put clear on that part of my nail. If you guys are wondering what that is, I had a nail lifting and it created that stainage on my nail. But I basically put clear so that I don't have to do the same set next time. Now here comes where the hard part comes. I'm really fucking scared, so if I literally don't speak at all, that's why. I'm gonna take a video on my phone so you can see like what I'm working with. We got the little pink part on. See, I literally can't stop shaking. Oh my goodness. We got the pink part on. I'm shaking so bad right now. Like, here's my hand. It won't stop shaking. Okay, you guys, so I finished this hand. It's currently drying right now, like this acrylic, like the ombre and all that stuff. So I'm gonna let this dry, and then I'm going to shape them, and then I'm gonna sand them, and then I'm going to show you guys. Okay, you guys, so I finished this hand. The only issue is, though, I have not put the clear coat on it. My sister's being annoying as fuck right now, and I don't have a gel top coat. I never bought one. My sister has one, though, and like before I bought all this shit, like I basically asked, like, can I use it? She said yeah. Well, she's not letting me use it right now because she's mad at me. Later, whenever she's unmad at me, I'm gonna stick the shiny on it, and then I'll show you guys because I want to add jewels as well. But honestly, I did a pretty good job. Like, I did a pretty good job for my first ever set. This one's small because just don't pay attention to that one. That one has to be small because she needs to grow out. But yeah. But yeah, they look like this. I think the hardest part of this all was making the coffin shape. It was literally impossible because I didn't have the clippers and because I didn't have literally the correct scissors. If I had small scissors, honestly, my coffin shape would have turned out so much better. But yeah, I wish they were longer. I cut them too short because apparently my brain went like completely stupid and thought that I wanted short nails. I think that I love long nails so much that I think short nails are ugly. And so literally, like, these are short and they're not ugly. Like, a lot of people think that they're cute, but I am not very sold on them because they're short. If they were a lot longer, like the long nails, oh, I love the long nails. And then I look at the short ones and I'm like,
I get some bands and I get some bands and my little baby, yeah. I get some bands and I get some bands and my little baby, yeah. I get some.
After trying to convince my dad for 3 days to do my motherfucking hair, he's finally going to do it. He finally said, let's go. Which means let's fucking do it. So I'm gonna get the hair dye, all that stuff. Everyone asks what hair dye. I never like to say because when I say, then I go to the store and there ain't none left. I did that before. Actually, I did this on 3 separate occasions, and when I went to go for fucking hair dye, I couldn't see it anymore. But I use this. This is the Revlon Color Silk hair dye. I recommend getting it at Target. It's the cheapest at Target. At Target, it's like $2. And this is what I use. It's literally the only hair dye. I've tried different black hair dyes before, and it's the only black hair dye that actually jet blacks the fuck out of my roots. My hair is dyed. I'm just gonna let it sit for about like 25 to 30 minutes, and then we're gonna jump in the shower because I also, you know, I need to rinse this all out. And then while I'm in the shower, I'm also going to exfoliate my body and then shave my body, because then after we're gonna self-tan. Okay, so now we need to tan because, as you can tell, I am the shade of my walls. Legit the shade of my walls. So we're gonna tan. I have my swimsuit on. Lizzie's going to be tanning my back, so she's sitting over there. So I'm going to be using the Bondi Sands Ultra Dark tanning right here. Bondi Sands, if you're watching this, please send me a lifetime supply. I will literally promote you until the day that I die. I'm obsessed with this stuff. This is literally like my second bottle. I love it so much. And then I'm just going to be using just this little like Saint Tropez mitt, and then this tiny little mitt because I like to use it on like my neck, because I feel like it just does a better coverage than this one would do, like on my neck, if that makes sense. I'm just going to take this and I take about like 2 pumps, and then I always start at the bottom of my legs. Like Pink Skinny Thoughts medicine. Okay, you guys, so I'm officially tan. I also do that thing that like you see on TikTok where they contour their face. But I decided to contour my face, so I put it like right there on my forehead. I look really insane. So I'm gonna stop the video right here for this clip today. And then, you know, I'm going to take this off tomorrow and we're going to give the final look with us getting. So Elizabeth's being a good friend and she's over there while I'm getting ready, blowing up balloons for me.
Trying to at least.
Trying to. It's not really going that well. But she's trying to blow up balloons for me. I'm also eating some Reese's Puff cereal. We're gonna get ready. So I'm gonna start with the eyebrows. Recently I've been like, you know, doing a pencil. I've been on that pencil vibe. I've been filling my eyebrows with pencil. But that's only because I have my eyebrows dyed. They still kind of are a little bit darker. Like they're still tiny-ish bit dyed. I don't know if you guys can tell. I can tell just because it's like my eyebrows. I was going to show myself dyeing them in this video, but my eyebrows aren't ready to be like waxed yet. I filmed the whole entire clip of me doing it, and so I'm going to put it in here just in case you guys wanted to see it. So basically what comes in this kit is, let's see, this is a little color dye, literally that's it. So basically, I have my eyebrow brush right here. I've never done this before, so I'm kind of scared. I hope you don't have to like shake this, but honestly, how would you shake it? Could you shake it? Honestly, you could. Fuck. I'm gonna put the dot right there. So that's our new dot. That's our old dot. Oh wait, no, it's turning dark brown. Okay, that's our new dot. So we're gonna brush up the eyebrows. Now, I really, really like this eyebrow. This has a lot more hair than this one. This one, like, I don't know what the heck's going on with this one. We have the first dyed eyebrow. Now I'm gonna take a Q-tip and I'm kind of gonna like clean it up. It's on. I'm going to leave this on for 10 minutes. It kind of looks scary. I kind of look like I have Sharpie eyebrows. Don't really know how this is going to work out. It was really hard to apply because I have so many random hairs and I just like I don't know. I just don't know. This is what it looks like. You may not be able to tell a difference, but I notice a difference. Like, it definitely dyed my eyebrows. I think I'm gonna like dye them again one more time just to make them just a tad bit darker. But I think I'm gonna do that like after the wax. I don't know if I'm gonna do that tonight. I honestly may do that tomorrow. So if I do that tomorrow or whatever, I'll update you guys. I wanna take like all that shit off. I'm going to take off. I kind of got on my skin, but I'm going to take all this off because I decided I'm just going to keep this brow fucking skinny because it kind of looks stupid if I keep those hairs. We are back. The wax is hot. I have the little blue thing. I'm scared. Literally, I'm scared. Okay, I had to like put my hair back because, bitch, I'm scared. It literally dries so quick. It's so annoying. I'm going to try this stick actually because it might be a little bit easier. Because I might be able to get like just a tad bit closer. What? Don't be doing no dumbass faces, bitch. I have a fucking mirror. I can see for myself. I'm scared. So we have one of these. We put one of these on Roman's face and honestly it didn't fucking work. So, you think it's going to? I'm like scared. I'm like, bitch, get the fuck on my face. Okay, I'm honestly a little bitch. Okay, so seriously. Okay, so you have to rip it this way. And dead ass, when you fucking rip it, you better put pressure on it, bitch. You have to seriously put pressure on it so then like...
What do you mean?
Like so then I don't feel the pain.
Go like that?
Yeah, like on the place that I did it. Like on the place that you ripped the thing. I'm scared. Hold on. Okay. I'm not like this in the nail salon because I can't be like this, but because I'm in my fucking room, I'm scared. That's what they do at the nail salon. Yeah, like upwards as fastest, bro.
Watch out.
Okay, and I need to hold your hand for most support on this hand.
That ain't my hand, but okay.
Fuck, I'm scared, I'm scared. I'm scared, hold on. Why did I do this?
I'm gonna count to 3. Ready? 1. Oh, the wax stayed on your head. Alright. You ready? Boom, look at this.
Motherfucker, that hurt. So you guys, these are the brows. They look literally amazing. Like this one. Oh, she looks so good. So good thing this is my selfie side. I'm gonna like wake up in the morning and be able to take selfies and it looks like I have my eyebrows filled in now. Buying dye for your eyebrows is probably like one of the greatest things I could have done for myself. I highly recommend it. I'm gonna have like a link in the description box. I'm gonna try to. I hope I remember.
Want your kisses in the morning light. Wanna be next to you every night. Now I lips, they taste like cherry wine. You're no good for me, we're so bittersweet, but I still want you, I do. Baby, can't you see what you do to me? I just can't resist you. You got me drunk in love, I can't sleep. I need to sober up from this dream, but I can't.
Okay guys, so I have my look on. You guys can see the balloons like in the background and all that stuff, but this is the look. It's like this blue little dress from Hot Miami Styles. And then I also have this little boa, which is really cute. I'm wearing like this blue eyeshadow. I curled my hair. And then I'm wearing these shoes that I would never wear in public because they literally hurt so bad, but they're super cute for like a picture. And these are from Boohoo. Casual, just a little razor in the corner. Oh my god, I just ripped my arm. That's so nice. This is production. I didn't think this was this hard. Totally was gonna film my outro with like makeup on and all that stuff, and I so forgot. This transformation is over. This whole transformation was supposed to be like a birthday quarantine glow up. I'm going to be doing a birthday get ready with me tomorrow. If you guys are interested in that video is going to be coming soon and all that stuff. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys want more of these types of videos, and let me know if you guys want more like nail videos, because I'm getting like more into that, and I am trying to go and decide if I want to like continue getting my nails done at like a nail salon, or because I have all this stuff now, like try and save money and like do my own, you know, because I spend like $100 every single time I get a set done, plus tip, you know, like we're looking at a lot of money every single time. If you guys are new to my channel, do not forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the little bell so you guys will be notified when I post a video. Also, do not forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat so you guys can see what I'm doing when I'm not posting a video. Yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.